Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new review about this yarn that I just purchased from Walmart. Yeah, I went to grab some coffee in a package. There was only 3 left, 3 days worth of coffee to make coffee, and of course I had to go to the yarn aisle. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and I was like, wow, it's so soft, and I fell in love with the color because it's the rainbow, my popular, I can't resist, I need to grab it. So it's, the only thing is it has polyester and recycled polyester, so it looks like they did upcycling, so that's good. Like, there's no wool in it. So I do donations for scarves and hats. I donate them. So I know I need more yarn, but it's pretty pricey for $12.99 for this much of yarn. I was kind of hesitant, but I just had to try it out. So I'm going to cast on with you and see how this feels like. First I jumped into YouTube. I saw a couple of YouTubers talking about the yarn. The thing is, it's expensive. I paid $12.99 Canadian. So I thought, because if I crochet, I need more yarn, at least 4 to make a scarf. What is this? There's 2. Oh my goodness, come on. Okay, so it looks like they stuck in this here, but I need the inside, right? I don't need the outside. So let me just fix this. So of course, knitting, you don't use that much yarn when you're knitting. So sometimes that's what I do. My trick, if I have lots of yarn, I do crochet. If I don't have enough, because crochet gives that thickness, especially for donations, you need that, right? So that's the reason I'm going to be knitting this, and then see how the yarn feels like. So I wanted to knit a pattern that I won't be using too much. First I thought, let me do the brioche, but you need lots of yarn for that because of the yarn over and the purl stitches or the knit stitches. Yeah, so okay, I'm having a hard time finding the end of this. So at the beginning, looks like, sorry, yeah, okay, I don't know where the end is. It's gonna take me a while. I thought it would be here, but there's 2 here. Okay, here we are. Never mind, I found it. So I'm going to cast on, I don't know, let's see, 25 maybe, because I don't want it that wide either. 4 inches is enough for donation. So I'm using, it says a 5.5 millimeter knitting needle right here. Knitting needle 5.5 and 5.5 crochet hook. Oh, my camera is doing really good, knock on wood. It says it's a 4, but it looks like it feels like it's a 5, but I think the yarn inside is empty, so we'll see. And this is all the info. For usually for a scarf, 150 gram is enough to knit a scarf. But let's see, 2, 4. I don't do fringes on my scarves, donation especially, because you use up yarn. I would lengthen instead of using up that yarn to make a fringe. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 7. Stop counting. My window is open, so I do apologize if there's too many noise, but I need that breeze coming in. 18. Yeah, I would like to use all the bits of the yarn, just like this. So there's 20. Yeah, let me see if I can cast on another stitch. If I can do that, that would be great. Just one extra. Here we go. And I will tie this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 3 knits, 2 purl, 3 knits, 2 purl to give the scarf. Okay, here we go. These are Addy needles. What was it called? Rocket, Addy, Rocket. Love these needles. Okay, they are like unicorn needles. Unicorn. Okay, so the first 2 stitches I'm going to purl. I'm going to purl on the edge. Okay, 2 stitches to purl. Okay, it feels good. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 knit, kind of, and then 3 purl. Not 3 3 knit, 2 purl, 3 knit, 2 purl, 3 knit, 2 purl. Feels good. And then 3, I wish I added another stitch. You know what? I can make a stitch. What I'll do is just make a stitch. And then I will do the last 2 purls. See, perfect. So you need 20, if you're using this stitch, what you need is 20, 21 I made, so 22 stitches. Thought it was multiple of 5, so it is multiple of 5 plus 2. Okay, so the wrong side, I did purl on this one, so the wrong side or the right side, either way would work. I'm going to knit. Okay, the knit stitches I'm going to purl. Start it with purple. 2 knit, 3 purl, 2 knit, 3 purl. Oh. 2 knit. Oh, this is good. I like it. But $12.99. Yeah. Okay, what did I do? I think I did something wrong here. Let me just recount. 2 knit. Okay, it's supposed to be 3 purl and then 2 knit. Okay, here we go. Actually, this is the right side, I think. That's okay. I will weave this end, or I can do, you know what I can do? I can do this while I'm knitting. Voila. Okay, I'm going to purl, and I'll move this here. When I get closer to the camera, it's getting blurry, I noticed. To be cautious. Okay, it doesn't do automatic. Should do automatic. The first row you could just knit and then start to stitch if you want, but yeah, for me it's okay. Sorry about that. It started with the dark color, but I really like this yarn, and at Walmart it never goes on sale. I haven't checked Michael's if they have this particular. I haven't gone to Michael's for months, believe it or not. It's been months. Yeah, The last time I went there, what did I grab? It was Caron, I believe it was Caron Cotton Cake that they had on sale online. So I did order online, and plus I bought it in the store. So that was the only, and this was like maybe last year. Yeah, this year I haven't gone. So here it is. Yeah, this is perfect for a scarf. For if you are knitting a scarf for yourself, your loved one, or for donation, this is perfect. 4 inches and wider is perfect. So this is just over 5 inches. So this is perfect for a scarf. For the length, you need to knit at least 4 inches long. 4 feet long. Yeah, 4 feet long. So it's like 4 by 4 when you say it that way. Yeah. But I usually knit about 2 meters. Closer to 2 meters. I tried to finish the yarn, and that's how I know. But again, like I said, because this yarn being, it's not a 4-weight, I don't think so. That's the reason, because usually when you're knitting with a 4, you need a 4mm knitting needle. That's what I usually knit with, but this is like a 5.5. So no way, Jose, it's impossible. And I noticed the yarn is thick, but when you're knitting, it's getting, let me show you, see, it does get thinner while you're knitting. But if the price, yeah, I'm going to check Michael's if they have 40% off coupon. I haven't been gone to their even website for months, but this reminds me of a yarn that Ice Yarn sells. What was it called? I have so many of it. Shiny. I even have it somewhere here, I believe. I was supposed to knit a sweater. Yeah, it reminds me of that yarn as well, but mostly they're cotton. But this is recycled, but it is soft. Yeah. It's like I-cord yarn. Yeah, that's what it is. It looks like they knitted it. The inside is empty, so it reminds me of the I-cord. Yep. So let me just knit this one as well. And go on. If you see this on sale, definitely grab it. But other than that, it is pricey. Yeah, I don't know why it's pricey. It should be like $6 or something, because it's not a big, huge, ball. Like I buy the Burnett for $6 something. I have it right there somewhere, and even $3. But like this is polyester. Like it's not. There's no wool in it. That's what I'm trying to say. Like Lion Brand. What's that? That's called. They have wool in it, like 25% wool. I can't remember. Just checking if I have it somewhere near me, but no, I don't. But yeah, it's nice to knit with, definitely. Definitely. I will knit with this, definitely. Yeah, let me just finish this row and do some crocheting. Like, this is new to me. I don't know how long this has been out there. But here, it just came to Edmonton. Okay, I'm supposed to knit this. I want to knit this. I want to give that nice knitting feeling. Or I can slide it. Yeah, that's what I did on the previous row. So I'll just not knit the first one. Okay, I did the same thing here. It's because I do that on everything. Okay, let me just grab my crochet hook. So it says a 5.5. And I'm just checking here. Yep. Oh, well, I have a bigger knitting needle. That's okay. A crochet hook. So let me just do some crochet and see how this is going to turn out. Okay. So let's chain. Oh, wow. I think crocheting is way better, but like I said, I didn't want to, buy more because it's already $13.99. Oh, this is good. Definitely doesn't split because of the I-cord knitting on the needle. perfect. Look at this. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update. So I did show you a new stitch. I don't think I have this. I am planning to knit a sweater top down with this stitch with, of course, thinner yarn and go from there. But this is wearable, definitely. It's so soft and it's not that thick. Yeah, it's not that thick when you knit it up. So when you crochet it, it's not that thick at all as well. Just go up. Can do ponchos with this. Oh, this would be perfect. Like, I fell in love with the color. Oh, this is nice. Definitely nice. And you can see the perfect stitching. Oh my goodness. Even with the knitting, see how it looks? Oh, look at the color. This was the only color there. I think there was a light color. It didn't catch my attention, but this definitely did. So I had to try it up. So I hope you like this review about the landscape. See, when you say landscapes, we have other landscapes. I don't have it in front of me right now, but I have tons and tons of landscapes, Lion brand landscapes, but this is called Renewed because of the upcycling, because of the recycling. That's the reason I guess they named it. It's made in China, so that's another story. Usually yarns are made in Turkey, but this one is made in China. It has the Georgia address. GA. Yep, this is all. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you watching my tutorials, my videos, my podcasts, my renews, my yarn unboxing, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video, tutorial, renew, and so on. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy crafting, whichever you're doing the best and enjoying it. Thank you. Bye-bye.